Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Computer Masti with Ganga. So today in this video we are going to make a program. Yes, our first program in Scratch programming.
Okay, so here is our first program in Scratch software. So first of all we need to open Scratch software. So this is our Scratch interface. When we open Scratch software it looks like this. So our first program, yes, so we need to, suppose we want to move this sprite on a stage. Okay, this cat, by default Scratch will give this sprite. Yes, sprite 1, this is a cat. Okay, so we need to move this sprite on a stage. So how we can do this? So first of all select this sprite. I have selected this sprite 1. Now go to control block. Yes, here is control block. Just single left click on this block. Then you have to drag this green flag. Yes, this green flag. Then we are moving. Yes, we are moving this cat now. This is sprite. So go to motion block. Yes, if you want to move any sprite on a stage, we need to use this motion block. Yes, motion block for moving our sprites. So when we click motion block, these are the different blocks palette. So take this first one, just drag and drop into this script area. Okay, now you have to stick these two scripts. You can see here, just stick together these two scripts when green flag click and move 10 steps. So every time when we click on this green flag, you can see this is moving. Yes, okay, but I don't want to click on this green flag every time. Okay, I want to move this sprite automatically. So what is the thing we need to use? Yes, again here we need to use control block. In the control block we have one nice script, that is forever. Do you know forever? Yes, forever means infinity time. So just take this forever in between these two scripts. Okay, see, you have to stick to these two scripts and take this forever and stick it here. Done. Now click on this green flag. Yes, see, it is moving automatically but not coming back. Why? Because we have to use again one more thing, that is if on edge bounce. Yes, you can see here motion block and at the downside. Okay, at the bottom you can see here if on edge bounce. So if on edge bounce, it will walk. These are the four corners. You can see these are the four edges. Okay, these are the four sides you can see. So when this sprite will touch these corners, these sides, okay, these edges, so it will again bounce. Okay, it will touch that edge and again come back to the opposite direction. You can see here when we take this one, now see the result. Yes, it is coming back. Okay, now you can see one thing, while it is coming back its face is downside. Yes, so what we need to do, click on this double sided arrow. You can see here only face left right. If you want to make your sprite face only left and right now, so you need to click on this button, only face left right. So click on this, see the difference. Yes, and from here you can see move 10 steps. You can change the steps. Okay, so double click on this, double left click on this, erase using backspace key, and you can change the parameter from here. Okay, from the keyboard. Now see, it is moving too slowly. Yes, you can change the steps also, you can make it faster. Okay, so yes, it is moving fast. Now you can see here these are two buttons. Okay, this green flag and this red icon. So this green flag, it is used to play this program. Yes, if you want to run your program, you need to click on this green flag. But on the other hand, if you want to stop this program, yes, if you want to stop, so click on this red icon. Okay, yes. Now the last one, that is how to change the background. Yes, so click on this stage. You need to select stage, go to backgrounds, then click on this import option. Yes, import option, and then there are different categories. So from these categories you can choose any one. Okay, suppose I am taking this and this one. Okay, so just single click on this green flag. Now see. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.